The Restoration Age, spanning from 1660 to around 1700, is one of the most dazzling and transformative periods in English literature, named after the restoration of the monarchy, when King Charles II returned to the English throne in 1660. This age witnessed a dramatic revival of culture, literature, and artistic expression. After years of puritanical repression under Oliver Cromwell, England exploded into a vibrant celebration of life, theatre, and intellectual freedom. This period is best known for its witty comedies, heroic tragedies, biting satires, and the birth of modern prose. The return of the theatre. One of the most thrilling aspects of the Restoration was the reopening of the theatres, which had been banned during the Puritan regime. Charles II, a lover of the arts, not only lifted the ban but also granted patents to new theatre companies and introduced innovations such as actresses on stage for the first time. A truly revolutionary step in English drama. Restoration comedy became the crown jewel of the age. These plays were bold, witty, and scandalously entertaining, portraying the immoral yet charming aristocracy of the time. They were filled with clever dialogue, mistaken identities, and sexual intrigue. William Congreve and George Etheridge stand out as masters of this genre. Congreve's The Way of the World, 1700, is a brilliant example of sophisticated comedy that still resonates today for its sparkling wit and sharp social commentary. Rise of satire and prose. While the drama dominated the stage, prose and satire took over the literary world. The Restoration Age gave birth to the modern essay and political prose writing, language, philosophy, and journalism. The Restoration period also saw significant developments in language and intellectual thought, influenced by Enlightenment ideals. Thinkers emphasized reason, order, and clarity. The founding of the Royal Society, 1660, exemplified this spirit, encouraging scientific thought and precision in language. The Restoration Age was more than a return of the monarchy. It was a rebirth of English literary culture. It was a time when wit triumphed over solemnity, satire sharpened minds, and women finally found a literary voice. The legacy of this era is immense, and its influence stretches into every corner of modern English literature, from the dazzling comedies of Congreve to the sharp satire of Dryden and the pioneering prose of Ben. The Restoration truly was an age of brilliance, boldness, and literary rebirth.